Just a quick follow-up on the review of the Espin Aero. A couple of changes. I had a Brook saddle that I converted by putting a bit of a hole in it, give me a little extra bounce, but makes a huge difference on the bike. Comfort-wise, nice and wide, provides a bit of suspension. I prefer it a great deal to the spring seat it came with. Had to resort to putting some 5M rib nuts into the aluminum frame so I could install a bottle cage, which again I think is essential. A couple of things noticed sort of unfinished feeling. There's a bit of opening, water intrusion possible. And I guess the idea may be that water enters here and can flow down and exit at the bottom. And we'll work on trying to seal this opening up. A little bit better. Maybe do the same for that. Otherwise, had it a couple of weeks and ride it pretty much daily. The off season when it's kind of windy and cold. I really like it.